Winter in the garden is one of those times when you're sitting and thinking, I don't want to go outside, although it would be the best place, especially in Johannesburg, where you can go outside. And it's a beautiful warm day, and we do have mild temperatures up here on the Highveld. But it's also a time when the nighttime temperatures are very, very cold, okay? So what are you going to be doing in your garden during your winter months? Well, getting ready for spring, aren't we, Gareth?
We are.
Okay, so I know that the best way to get ready for spring, if your garden's looking a little bit tired, is to replenish your soil. And Gareth's going to tell us exactly how we should do that and why.
Replenishing your soil has got two facets to that.
Yeah.
Compost and fertilizer.
Okay.
Ideally now in winter, compost, because it's a soil conditioner.
Yeah.
You do have nutrients in there, but it's more a soil conditioner. You're trying to get your soil up to that ideal growing phase for your plants. With all the different plants that we plant a lot of exotic plants. So you're just trying to condition your soil to get it ready for all the types of plants you plant.
Okay, so I mean, of course, when it comes to things like putting compost in, it will be beneficial for whether you have sandy soil, whether you have clay soil, or as we have here, the Transvaal red soil, which is sometimes like can get a bit cakey. But if you add compost into any of those, it'll be the best thing that you can do for your garden.
Yeah, ideally when you're planting your plants, you want to put in as much compost as you can financially afford to.
Yeah.
The more the better.
How much? How was that a case of like how long is a piece of string?
Basically, as much as your budget allows, the more the better. I work on, when I do landscaping and stuff, a bag of compost for a 5 or a 10 litre plant at least, because you want to prep your soil ideally when you're planting and not have to try and fix it once you've planted by adding compost afterwards.
So don't skimp on it, because of course compost is food for your soil, fertilizers are food for your plants, and plants are food for our souls.